Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fitzner from ScreenProtector by Inte.Team. How you doing, guys? You okay? So, you might be wondering what I'm holding. Yes, that's from this subwoofer. Subwoofer is this, okay, JAMO SUB200, so it's a 200 watt. At least that's what the internet shows. Now I've disconnected secondary winding. I have already checked, and it's a 28 volts. 28 volts. That's our neutral. Yeah. So customer came that it's shorting the fuse, and I did check for real. Okay. So the fuse is blown. But if I would check on the primary coil winding, this has 31 millivolts drop, which it's 30 ohms. Okay, so if you've got 30 ohms on the primary winding, that's a problem. And then on the second, get it here, it's connected back. Even if I would want to connect them the opposite way, that would be awkward. So look here, it's 1.5 ohm, which is here 0.7. yes, so it's a 1 ohm resistance in between both neutral and the phase. Yes, and here's same story in between these two, same story. So this is shorted transformer. This is not a lightweight transformer, the high frequency one, but this is a regular transformer with you know, high voltage loss, you can say, and it's heating up. Plus these transformers usually are made on 220 volts, whereas in the UK, if you would check, we've got 246 many times, or something similar. Look, 248. So that's why electronics is failing quicker. Now I did check, and there doesn't seem to be any problems than that. Bridge rectifier is not shorted, so that's mean on the line of the power it's okay. I can try to supply like 2 times 28 volts. That's not a problem from a transformer or behind the bridge rectifier actually. Because I can use my bench power supply and test if that will work. Okay, but I've got 2 times 28 volts, so I need to supply one additional one, which I know I should have one power supply with that voltage. I need to check it out. If no, I'll need to figure out something, because I'll see how it's built and then I'll figure it out. But if the transformer is faulty, it's not a cheap thing, and you can't get it locally, unfortunately. You can open it, you can unwind it, check how many windings, how many grams of copper, enameled copper wire, what's the thickness of the enameled copper wire, and wind it, but it will take you a lot of time, and there is a lot of room for mistakes. So yeah, I can't recommend it. If you want to just open it to check it and then order a next transformer, yes, but I've been there and I've done that, and I know how much work it involves, and sometimes you make mistake and you have to redo it. The good thing only is that the enamel copper wired is broadly available and it's quite cheap, so if you would like to fix it, you can. But you don't wanna. Yeah, that's it. And unfortunately, you know, this repair can cost customer about £100 to fix it. And why it's so? Because you can't get this transformer cheaply. You can't buy it for like 20-30 quid. you'll pay. I don't know the source. If you know any source for transformers, leave the comment down below in the comment section, but I don't know of any. So probably the cheapest solution would be to use second power supply, because you can get power supplies quite cheap, but these will be high frequency power supplies with high frequency transformers, so they are not that great for audio. So customer need to make a choice. Either we try to resurrect it by putting original transformer and the cost will be higher, or we trying to do cheap power supply, yes, like this for instance, and that's it. That's full stop. So let's wait and let's see what customer will tell. I will be happy either or, but in this case, probably customer won't go for a original transformer, because that might cost too much, and the cost might be about £100. I know, because I'm trying to get many times transformers and they are failing because our current is higher. So yeah, anyways, that's it in this episode. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you can help me find transformers, or you got some value out of it. So yeah, if you see such low ohms on the secondary of only 1-2 ohms, you know that that's a short. Yes, you shouldn't have that much, because enamel copper wire has core inside which is not conductive, and then this enamel is protecting. So if you get winding and winding is on each other, this shouldn't shouldn't put only so low ohm resistance. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.